Do you suffer from joint or muscle pain? Do you find it hard to go about your day with debilitating pain that just won't go away, where there may just be a natural approach which has a high potential to combat your joint and muscle pain? If you're looking for an all-natural solution to provide you pain relief, then look no further, because in this video we're going to make a simple and yet an effective concoction that you can drink every day to help put your pains and worries at ease. So without further ado, let's get started. In order to make this drink, all you need is ginger root and your favorite brand of honey. Now before we get on, let's tell a short story about ginger and its benefits. Over the course of history, ginger has been used by several different civilizations such as the ancient Indians and Chinese, as well as the ancient Greeks and Romans. In particular, ginger is a popular spice that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It is well renowned to have strong anti-inflammatory properties which helps relieve pain and stiffness in joints and muscles. In addition, ginger has antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Okay, enough storytelling for now, and on to how to make ginger tea. So this is what your typical ginger root looks like just over here. Now what we need is fresh and preferably organic ginger, as this is what will make a potent tea for us to drink. The first thing you want to do is measure out approximately an inch of ginger to cut off, or in other words, try cutting out 2.5 to 3 centimeters of ginger. After you make the cut, you should be able to see a bright yellow color from the inside. You'll also know that your ginger is fresh if it is juicy from the inside. The next thing you want to do is peel the ginger with a knife, just like so. So around and around we go. Peel all the sides just like this, and you should be left with a nice little chunk of ginger. The size should be approximately between the tip of your thumb to the first knuckle bone. Next thing you want to do is to cut the ginger into slices. Just make sure you take it easy with a knife so you don't cut yourself. So here are your slices of ginger. Pop them into a small pot and add some boiling water. Turn up the heat so the pot comes to a boil, and then slowly turn down the heat so that the water is simmering. Allow the pot to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how intense you want your drink to be. Do a little experimentation to see how spicy you would like your drink to be. After the time is up, add both the tea and the slices into your cup, and then as appropriate stir in about a teaspoon of your favorite honey. And that's about it. Don't forget, it needs to be at least a little bit spicy. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you'd like to see more videos on health and well-being, then why not subscribe for more videos. My name is Kassem. Thank you so much for watching.